Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss if accused or complainant is unable to appear before court on date of hearing, then what we have to do. In that situation, what we need to do is we need to file an exemption application from personal appearance of that particular person, whether he is accused or complainant, because you need to take exemption from court from personal appearance of that particular person, whether it is accused or complainant, in criminal cases only. That is not applicable in civil cases. So if you are having a criminal case and your client is not able to appear due to some uncertain reasons, like he is very ill or he is out of station due to some unavoidable reasons, then in that situation you need to seek an exemption from the court from personal appearance of that particular accused or complainant. Because if you will not file exemption, or if you will not seek exemption from the court, then there will be certain consequences which your client will face. If you are from accused side, then in that situation court will issue bailable warrant or non-bailable warrant. That will depend upon the case you are having or the charges which are imposed upon that particular accused. And in situation of complainant, his case can be dismissed, or certain other circumstances or consequences can be faced by that particular person. So it is very necessary to file exemption application and take an exemption from the court by telling your reasons in that particular application, that why your client is not able to appear. And normally judge understand that why you have filed that particular exemption application, and give you exemption from personal appearance of your client, whether it is accused or complainant. So this will help you in getting exempted or getting next date for your client. So you just need to file exemption application. You just need to write an application and tell your reasons, and a normal application you need to file, and then you just have to stick the fee of filing application, and you will get that exemption. So this I would like to today I'd like to share with you. This will be very helpful for you if you are doing practice and in litigation. So thank you so much. If this helped you, please like it and share to your friends as well who are into litigation, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much.